Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to Star Question 65. Sir, there is no classification on VIPs in the state government. However, for the purpose of security, we adopt the Ministry of Home Affairs directives which categorize protected persons as 1. Z plus protected person, 2. Z category protected person, 3. Y plus category protected person, 4. Y category protected person, and 5. X category protected person.
Your supplementary question.
So may I know from the Honorable Chief Minister the number of persons in each category?
Sir, just so that we are aware of what I'm going to say, so the security entitlements of protected persons is as per the classified secret document of security arrangements for protection of individuals, which is called the Yellow Book by the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs. And hence we are restricted to give too many details about the Yellow Book and the details of the Yellow Book in a public domain. And I have all the information with me, there is no problem. But I can share up to this information.
Just want to know the numbers, not the name.
I know, but I just want to tell you that beforehand so that, the more you ask me questions so that you already know that there are restrictions and I need to follow that. Yeah. So I'll just give the numbers, sir. So there are total 103 in the different categories. There are 2 in Z plus, 10 in Z category, 0 in Y plus, 19 in Y category, and 72 in X category.
Sir, I just want to remind this House, sir, that the Supreme Court on April 27, 2012 has prohibited the use of tinted glass on vehicles beyond the permissible limit prescribed under the Motor Vehicles Act. A 3-judge bench headed by Chief Justice S.H. Kapadia said the manufacturer may produce the vehicles with tinted glass having visual light transmission of safety glasses windscreened as 70% and glasses as 40% VLT respectively. Further prohibit the use of black films of any VLT percentage or any other material upon the safety glasses, windscreen and side glasses of all vehicles throughout the country. The bench, also comprising Justice A.K. Patnaik and Swatin Tar Kumar, said the bench directed the Home Secretary as well as the police heads of the respective states to ensure compliance with its direction, which become operative May 4. Use of these black films has been proved to be criminal paradise and a social evil. This certainly helps the criminals to escape from the eyes of the police and aids in commission of heinous crime like sexual assault on women, robberies, kidnapping, etc. If these crimes can be reduced by enforcing the prohibition of law, it would further the cause of rule of law and public interest as well, the bench said. So I just want to ask a question, because in my experience, especially in these last 4-5 years, it seems that there are too many people, who behave themselves as VIPs. They put the back frames on the vehicles, even a vehicle without bearing a registration number, the siren, and this has caused a lot of inconvenience to the people of the state. So maybe a friend of a relative or a business partner of those who are at the helm of affairs, they are taking advantage. And this has become, an eyesore to the people of the state. So may I know, what steps will the government take against those people who behave themselves as VIPs, taking the advantage under that cover?
So we are adhering to all the rules that are there. In fact, even in my personal vehicle also, I don't put black films. So we are ensuring that we practice what we preach. And there could be incidents and there could be individuals, sir, who do this. And as and when complaints come to us and this comes to our notice, immediate action is taken. So if there are any such cases, through you, sir, I can inform all the members that if there are such cases, individuals who are, and if anything comes to our notice, definitely, sir, immediate action will be taken.